Hello friends, welcome to Eash Kitchen. Let's make a mutton stew with black pepper and mustard. Let's check the ingredients of mutton stew. There will be plenty of mutton recipes for mutton stew. This will be another recipe. Please follow the ingredients properly. Fresh mutton, curry leaves, rampe, chopped ginger and garlic, and the paste of ginger and garlic, black pepper, turmeric powder, mustard, lemongrass, vinegar and oil, cardamom, clove and cinnamon, salt, carrot, onion, capsicum, tomato and green chilli. Let's cook the mutton stew. Okay, let's marinate the mutton. We'll add the vinegar, 1 tablespoon, little bit cooking oil, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, 2 tablespoons, yellow powder, turmeric powder and mustard paste. Salt to taste. Let's marinate the mutton and we'll keep for, after marination, 1 hour. Okay, let's cut the onion rings, capsicum, green chilli, tomato. For the mutton stew, you can cut a little bit bigger. Onion, tomato and capsicum and even the carrot. Okay, let's add the mutton. Cardamom, clove and cinnamon, lemongrass, curry leaves and rampe. Then we'll add the water, 2 cups of water. Then we'll cook for 12 to 15 minutes in a low fire. Okay, let's check the mutton stew. It's cooking slowly. Mutton stew ideal to have it roast bread or string hoppers and even for a quick bite. Okay, let's check the mutton again. It's almost cooked. We have to keep another 4 to 5 minutes. Let's allow to cook slowly. Okay, it's almost cooked. We'll remove the gravy bit. So once we toasting, we can add that. Not much, bit, right? That's more than enough. Cook again for another 2 minutes. Okay, let's check the mutton. It's almost cooked. A delicious smell. Let's add the oil a little bit. Allow to fry. 1 teaspoon of oil. Okay, we'll add a little bit black pepper. Salt always to taste. Ginger and garlic chopped. Mustard. Now we'll add the balanced gravy. Now carrot, onion, all vegetables together. Let's allow to cook 1.5 minutes in a low fire. Okay. Okay, mutton stew is ready. The mutton stew with black pepper and mustard. Okay, let's check the mutton. Perfectly cooked, mouth-watering mutton stew with black pepper and mustard. So friends, a Sri Lankan style of mutton stew with black pepper and mustard. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram to get more authentic dishes. And cheers to all meat lovers.